A tree in which the gum produced from the bark has medicinal properties. What tree is it? Introducing Amogis, Coordersiodendron pinnatum of the family Anacardiaceae. Amogis is found in northern Luzon to Mindanao. It is also found in Borneo, Sulawesi, and New Guinea. Amogis is a large, fast-growing evergreen tree and a member of the mango family. It can attain a height of 30 meters and a diameter of 60 centimeters or more. Its wood, which is uniform and dark red, is a good raw material for flooring, furniture, and cabinet making. It is also suitable for manufacturing wood products such as wall panels, room dividers, lower doors, balusters, picture frames, and ashtrays. The gum produced from the bark has medicinal properties and has been used in local medicine. Amogis is cultivated as an ornamental tree due to its widely spreading crown. It has edible fruit that is eaten like Siniguelas Spongias purpurea. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.